Welcome to USD 297, home of the Indians. Why should you choose us? We have a highly qualified staff. Many of them have a master's degree. All staff members live within the district and have raised or are currently raising their children here. Therefore, they have a vested interest in the quality of education that's being given. We have a high quality programs like art, athletics, drama, FFA, journalism, and music. Our art program is one that has received many awards from the Northwest Kansas League as well as the state. Students learned mixed media, charcoal, ceramics, oil, and acrylic painting, just to name a few. Our athletic teams have really become a powerhouse and have made it to state multiple times in football, basketball, and wrestling the last 4 years. And let's not forget about track. Our girls' athletic programs are really turning it on and have become extremely competitive. There is a program that almost every student can participate in, including cross-country, cheer, dance, and golf. Do you prefer drama or music? If so, our classes meet that need. Our drama department produces one play each year, and our exceptional band and vocal department presents 4 to 5 concerts every year, as well as plays in pep band. In fact, they have competed and been successful at regional and state competitions. Do you maybe prefer ag? Our FFA program is top-notch. We have many students who go to state FFA and judge in livestock, poultry, horse, plants, soils, dairy, and veterinary science competitions. Currently, a former member of our team is currently judging on the K-State horse judging team. Do you prefer graphic design and writing? How about joining our state-placing journalism team? This team puts together a winning yearbook every year, as well as designs all of the programs that the school uses and writes articles for the local paper and website. For a small school, you can see we have a huge variety of classes to fulfill most students' wants and wishes. Classes like life skills, where they learn to do laundry, cook, sew, and dance, to welding and woodworking for those who like to get their hands dirty. Let's go Indians!